You've just restored your pool cage. But do you think that means you can forget about its condition and maintenance for years? The truth is, Florida's climate is relentless. Constant exposure to the sun, salty breezes, humidity, and heavy rains can challenge the durability of your structure. What looks flawless today might not stay that way tomorrow. A small chip in the frame's paint or a screen that begins to deteriorate. And let's not forget about tropical storms. One strong gust of wind could cause unexpected and costly damage if you're not prepared. Will you wait for a problem to arise, or will you take action now to extend the lifespan of your pool cage and enjoy it for years to come? To prevent these issues and keep your pool enclosure in top condition, here are some key tips. Regular cleaning. Take the time to clean the frames and screens with warm water and a mild detergent. This will not only maintain their appearance, but also prevent dirt buildup that could lead to corrosion or structural damage. Periodic visual inspections. Carefully examine the screens and frames for tears, holes, or signs of corrosion. Identifying a small issue early on allows you to fix it before it becomes a bigger and more expensive problem. Weather precautions. Before a storm or strong winds, remove furniture and loose items from the enclosure. Additionally, ensure that the screens and frames are securely fastened to minimize risks. Chemical balance in your pool. Keep your pool's chemical levels balanced. This protects not only the water, but also the enclosure materials, ensuring that neither the screens nor the frames suffer from prolonged exposure to harsh chemicals. By following these simple steps, you can protect your pool cage and ensure it remains a safe, functional, and beautiful space for years to come.